Bott, world's first backlink creator that delivers real results. One-click software creates backlinks and DAMP. Rank instant on Google Page and DAMP. Free buyer traffic with zero monthly fees. 100% newbie friendly. Zero tech or marketing skills needed. No monthly fees. Free gift. First 250 buyers also get the all-in-one VIP bundle minus 100% free. Create high-quality backlinks instantly for your blogs, websites, etc. Reach fast on Google page #1 with no extra efforts. Get faster indexing for your web pages. Drive laser-targeted traffic for any offer in any niche. Automatic updates with no extra installation hassles. Even newbies can drive real traffic and DAMP. Sales. 100% cloud-based, newbie-friendly technology. Beginner-friendly, step-by-step training and videos. Grab Ubit at crazy one-time price today. Usually $47 month, today only one-time $17. Get instant access today. 100% secure Warrior Plus checkout. Hurry, the price rises in 00 hour 33 minutes 47 seconds. Warning. Grab your copy now before the price increases. Imagine being on Google page #1 easily and DAMP. Driving real results like these daily. Here's why real users love Ubit. Rick and Mark. Location. Ubit is fast, easy to use and DAMP. Complete value for money. I've been using it for my traffic campaigns and DAMP. Trust me, I am getting floods of audience to my pages. Don't miss out on this one at any cost. Jim William. Location. Ubit is fresh and DAMP. Really amazing. I've been a part of this online marketing space since the last 6 years, but only a few of the products catch my attention. Willing to invest in something that's capable of giving real results? Don't miss out, Ubit folks. Create high-quality backlinks in just 2 easy steps. Step 1. Choose your niche. To begin, just choose your specific niche and DAMP. See the software in action. Step 2. Instant page #1 rankings. Great, you're all set. Now sit back and DAMP. Watch your offers get on top of search engines with no additional efforts. From the desk of Rudy. Dear aspiring marketer, are you willing to easily build more backlinks to get Google page #1 rank for your offers? And DAMP. Do all this without hiring expensive SEO agencies that charge hefty but deliver seldom. As an experienced marketer, I know the huge worth of building high-quality backlinks and DAMP. See your offers getting high rank on major search engines. You may have the best product for your niche audience or the most in-demand service, but until you get high search rankings, you can't imagine scaling your business to the next level forever. And that's the primary reason why 89% marketers rate getting high search ranks as one of the most essential part for boosting their sales. Now it's clear that by overlooking their immense power, you're digging your own grave. Backlinks even sell like hotcakes, period. See how third parties earn millions by selling backlinks to tons of hungry clients. But here's a big question. Are you aware of building high-quality backlinks to rank to websites higher? Here are some of the major problems you may encounter. You must have sound knowledge of SEO and DAMP. Ranking techniques, that's not an easy task. You must have a dedicated team of bloggers and DAMP. Run after them constantly to create guest posts and DAMP. Even post them on a regular basis. You must be aware of latest updates in the ranking criteria as search engines update them on a frequent basis. Creating high-quality backlinks for your targeted niche can take months or years if you're not an expert at it. Most of the tools available in the market come with a hefty price tag, yet provide only a limited set of features that don't match your needs. Now that sounds death scary, right? Now, if you too have been struggling to build high-quality backlinks and damp, ultimately get in page #1 ranks of top search engines, you need to stop blaming yourself right now. There are tons of reasons that are beyond your control and damp. You honestly can't do anything about them. So, I with my team were fully committed how to bridge the gap between your ever-increasing expectations versus the hard work you need to put in to start getting some real results. I've been figuring out the same since the last 28 months, and finally, I'm elated to mention that I've fixed the missing pieces of the puzzle, and after countless sleepless nights and damp brainstorming sessions with my team, we've come up with something that's got you covered from all ends even if you've never made a single penny online. Yes, I'm superbly excited to present this groundbreaking technology to you. Introducing Ubit. Create unlimited high-quality backlinks and damp. Get high website ranks easily. Create high-quality backlinks instantly for your blogs, websites, etc. Reach fast on Google page #1 with no extra efforts. Get faster indexing for your web pages. Drive laser-targeted traffic for any offer in any niche. Automatic updates with no extra installation hassles. 100% cloud-based, newbie-friendly technology. 30-day money-back guarantee. Beginner-friendly, step-by-step training and videos. Create high-quality backlinks in just 2 easy steps. Step 1. Choose your niche. To begin, just choose your specific niche and damp. See the software in action. Step 2. Instant page #1 rankings. Great, you're all set. Now sit back and damp. Watch your offers get on top of search engines with no additional efforts. Grab Ubit at crazy one-time price today. Usually $47 a month, today only one time $17. Get instant access today. 100% secure Warrior Plus checkout. Hurry, the price rises in 00 hour, 33 minutes, 47 seconds. Warning. Grab your copy now before the price increases. Let's check out some state-of-the-art features and damp benefits you get with Ubit. Create high-quality backlinks for your blogs and damp websites instantly. Creating high-quality backlinks and damp. Getting higher search engine rankings just got faster and damp easier. All you need to do is put this software into action, and damp. Leave the rest on us to take care of your business. Reach fast on Google page #1 ranks with no extra efforts. Using Ubit, you can reach on top of major search engine ranks and damp. Get more exposure for your offers without any prior tech or marketing hassles. Just put this masterpiece into action, and we'll take care of the rest. Drive laser-targeted traffic instantly for any offer in any niche. Ubit makes it brain-dead easy to drive tons of targeted traffic to your offers and damp. Get maximum traction to boost sales and damp profits. All you need to do is follow 2 simple steps that we mentioned above, and damp. See real results in a cost-effective manner.